Hey, what's up, you guys? Yes, I am going to be doing soda exploding. And I'm with my two best friends, Lila, Valerie. And she has actually a YouTube channel. Can you explain it for them?
But I deleted it or something. Oh, I didn't delete it. I'm just not.
Well, she has 2 subscribers and she's going to need more. So I need you guys to subscribe to her and give this video a thumbs up. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it.
Oh, and tell them that we already did it, but you weren't shooting.
Yeah, we already did this, but I wasn't shooting, so I was kind of an idiot when that happened. So give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my videos. And here's the vinegar, and here's the baking soda, and here's the and that's basically all that happens.
When you put a lot of baking soda, it's like...
Whoa!
Look at her. Now a lot of vinegar. Oh my god! You're using a whole vinegar bottle. Yep, it's empty now.
And, well, that's basically all I have for you guys. But I will be posting again in a couple minutes if it doesn't storm. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel and subscribe to hers because she might get it back.
Owie! I just stepped underneath
one. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe because I will be doing fun things with my friends and exploding things. It might be a little dangerous, but we're still going to do it. So we're going to wait till we're here.
So what do we do with this?
We drink it. No, I'm kidding.
No, let it sit there.
Let it sit there.
I'm not touching it. I'm not.
And so that is all I have for you guys today. But not today. I'm sorry. I will be posting again today. So yeah.
Get me in the door.
Okay, and that's Val, and that's Lila. I just dropped my phone. I'm sorry. Sorry, the sun.
I hate the sun.
But
The sun's a demon.
really, not really. So please subscribe and please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. We're going in the house because it's going to storm.
To the house.
All right, and in the house we go, wasp. Okay, we're inside the house right now, and now it's really dark. So, guys, this is gonna end it up here because it's actually. Go get the chips.
Get the chips, Lila.
Get the chips. So yeah, thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.
Let's watch.
Yep. Thank you. Bye.